So there's 5 oils, and I just thought, you know what? I don't really know if that does anything.
Right. Yeah. And, back then we were just kind of reintroducing it, but now you've had some time to actually put it into practice, huh?
Yes.
Do you have a good report? Do you have a great report for us?
I do. So what I want to say is I really didn't think the Great Day Protocol would work very well. But I love these oils. So
Yes,
I
you
thought,
do.
I'm just going to put these oils on and see what happens, just because I love the oils. They smell so good. And so I started putting the oils on, making some declarations, and I was shocked.
Make it a great day. It's Hunt for Wellness, episode number 206. Hello, welcome to Hunt for Wellness. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Christy Hunt.
And this is the show where we help you live your best life, mind, body, and spirit. In this episode of Hunt for Wellness, brought to you by waterdistillers.com. Great machines, providing great water for your great wellness. Check it out at waterdistillers.com. Don't you love that statement when someone says, make it a great day?
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you make it a great day, though? Actually, that's what we're going to talk about today, isn't it? There is a way to make it a great day.
There is. Yes. So we talked about the Great Day Protocol.
Yes, on episode 200.
Yes.
200.
Not too,
6 weeks ago.
Not too long ago.
Right.
And so there's 5 oils, and I just thought, you know what? I don't really know if that does anything.
Right. Yeah. And, back then we were just kind of reintroducing it, but now you've had some time to actually put it into practice, huh?
Yes.
Do you have a good report? Do you have a great report for us?
I do. So what I want to say is I really didn't think the Great Day Protocol would work very well. But I love these oils.
Yes,
so I
you
thought,
do.
I'm just going to put these oils on and see what happens, just because I love the oils. Yeah. They smell so good. And so I started putting the oils on, making some declarations, and I was shocked that I had a great day. And then I had another great day, and another great day, and another great day, and another great day. And it was like, wow, this is amazing. Yeah. And then I started to, when I felt like, oh, my day is not going as well right now. Wait, why isn't it going as well? What is causing me to feel down or discouraged or angry or whatever it was? And is this worth it? Is this worth wrecking my great day? And usually, no, I haven't found anything that was worth wrecking my great day yet.
Right.
But that also helped me to, then I had to deal with that problem. It helped me identify, hey, there's an issue here that's bothering me. Why is it bothering me? Is somebody irritating me? Okay, I need to forgive them. I need to let this go.
Right.
This is not that important to wreck a great day, to challenge my great day. And then when things sad, I've had some sad things happen, and it's like, no, really, God tells me that He is working all things together for good in my life and in the life of my loved one. And so even in this situation that makes me sad, He is working it out for good. So I can trust Him, even though I don't like it. I don't know what's going to happen here. He is working it out for good. So I can trust Him. So I can release it, pray about it, give it to Him, and feel joyful again.
There we go.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Right.
So you're kind of a big proponent of this then, huh?
I really am.
Okay.
I know, because I think God wants us to be at peace.
Right.
Not in turmoil. He says he will keep them in perfect peace whose mind is stayed on Him. Mm-hmm. And so, honestly, this Great Day Protocol is helping me to keep my mind on the Lord.
Yeah, that's awesome.
And not on the problems. Because it's when we focus on the problems is when things go bad.
Right.
We can just focus on all those things that went wrong, and then the mood goes down, and it's discouragement and, sadness.
Okay, I think people want to know now, how do you do it?
Yes.
How many oils? What are the rules? What's the order? Oh, look at this. There happens to be a little sheet called Gary's Great Day Protocol.
Yes.
And if you go over to huntforwellness.com, and this is episode 206, you, too, can have this protocol.
Yes.
And then it also will have the links to all the oils there. So if you want to buy the oils, you can do that right from there. It's all going to work out great.
Yes, because it's a great day. But
yes,
so,
of course.
right.
I didn't even mean to say that, but I guess I did because it's a great day.
Yes. So what you start with is Valor, and Valor is balancing. That's the balancing oil. We call it chiropractor in a bottle.
Yes, we've talked about Valor many times on this show.
Literally one of our favorite oils.
And Valor is it's a blend, so it's not one oil, right?
Right.
So,
there's frankincense in there, rosewood, black spruce, Northern Lights black spruce.
Oh, I just love the smell of this one, too.
I know. We all love this smell so much.
I actually already put this on every day, so I've got the first piece of this protocol.
Yes.
What, you put a drop on your wrist?
Yeah, you put a drop or two on your wrist, your one wrist, and then you put your other wrist on top of it. And then you say, my body is balancing. And just kind of
body is balancing.
Stand there or sit there for, a minute or so just to balance.
Yeah, I do it, and I usually start feeling my heartbeat.
Okay, good.
And it's nice and steady.
Good. And really, literally, a lot of us, our right side and left side are kind of out of balance with each other. And so by balancing yourself, first thing, this is going to help your body function better.
Right.
Now, the next oil...
And you said it says on here, say, I am balancing my mind, body, and spirit.
Yes, because don't we want to be balanced?
I am balancing my mind. So that's a declaration, but it is doing that.
Right. And so you're saying, body, do that, and agreeing with this oil that helps us be stable and steady. And when you're stable and steady, you can handle things better. Right. We were talking about like playing pickleball. I know a lot of people like to play pickleball. And if you are ready, if you're standing ready for the ball to come to you, and you're looking, you're prepared, you're kind of knees bent, ready to go, paddle ready, and the ball comes to you, you're likely to hit it well and maybe score a point. Now, if you happen to get distracted and you're looking over somewhere else and then the ball comes and you hit it, you might not hit it, you might miss it, you might, you're kind of off balance.
Right.
You're not prepared and you don't do as well when you're not balanced. So that's kind of the importance of balance. Then the next oil is Harmony. This is an amazing oil. Oh, I love that one. 17 oils in that blend.
Whoa.
Sacred
sandalwood. In perfect harmony, too.
Yes. Sacred sandalwood, lavender, ylang-ylang, frankincense, orange, angelica, geranium, hyssop, Spanish sage, black spruce, coriander, bergamot, lemon, jasmine, Roman chamomile, palmarosa, and rose. And Gary Young formulated this as a spiritual and emotional blend to promote harmony in all areas of life.
Right.
So this oil has an amazing way of amplifying the best in people. And so you put just a drop right above your belly button and say, my body, mind, and spirit are in harmony. And just like
my body, mind, and spirit are in harmony.
And just kind of take a moment, like a breath or two or three or four. And just feel that.
Yeah. Like a beautifully sung song.
Right. And think about, we are complex people and we're kind of like an orchestra. Think of when the orchestra is tuning up. It just is cacophony. It's discordant. Yeah. Everybody, or like the Music Man when they all got their instruments and they start to play and it sounds terrible.
Yes.
That is not harmony.
Nope.
But when the orchestra is now working together and they are making their music in harmony, it's beautiful. And
I love that smell.
so when a person's systems are not stressed and working in harmony, everything works better.
Yeah.
And think about this, even when some wrong notes are played in the orchestra, you cannot tell me there are not some wrong notes played.
Right.
But you don't really hear them because the overall orchestra is harmonizing together. And so even when little troubles come, we can handle them. We can go through them when our body is in harmony, our mind, our spirit is in harmony together.
Wonderful.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, now joy.
Oh,
Who doesn't,
another one of my favorites.
Who doesn't want a little joy in their life?
It's such a nice floral.
It's beautiful.
Oh.
It's like floral and citrus. And that one you put over your heart's on the left side of your chest.
Thank you for reminding me that.
Yes, well, some people don't know where their heart is. But so that's got bergamot, ylang ylang, geranium, rose, lemon, coriander, tangerine, jasmine, Roman chamomile, palmarosa, and rose. And so it's beautiful. It's a beautiful oil blend. It's very calming, helps release negative emotions, creates a sense of balance, and elevates the mind.
Yes. And while you put that on, you say, the joy of the Lord is my strength.
Yes.
Because he is.
The Lord is our strength. And when we have joy and we're in the Lord, we're trusting God, it just like, it literally strengthens us. It strengthens our heart and our life. So having joy is such a good thing. And again, you can handle things better.
Right.
I heard the original name for this oil was love. So it's kind of got the frequency of love. So it promotes love. Think about the person that is in love, you know, like the newly in love person.
They're very joyful.
They are so happy. Nothing seems to bother them, you know? So that is joy.
Love it.
Okay, the next oil is New Heights, which is a new oil. This one just came out in July 2025, for their New Heights convention. And this has some deep spectra oils in it, deep spectra technology. And it's got pinyon pine, which is a new oil. It's got also Valor in it, and Rise Above blend, and Wings blend.
Wow.
So this is a new addition to the Great Day Protocol.
And I say, I am reaching new heights today while you put it on your temples and behind your
Ears.
Behind your ears.
Yes.
I am reaching new heights today.
Yes.
Love it.
And it's got, amazing oils in that one too, including pinyon pine, ponderosa pine, ocotillo,
so much.
Cardamom, Melissa orange.
The blend is incredible.
Yeah, it is. And this oil is about like the strength of trees. Think about those tall pine trees that are reaching upward. The normal action of a plant and a person is growth. Plants continue to grow till they die. People are also designed to keep growing. You know, physically our height stops, but we grow emotionally and spiritually, and we love. And we love to create things like families, businesses, organizations, churches. We're created to grow, and New Heights is an oil blend to encourage that. So, you know, literally we are growing every day. So I'm reaching new heights today.
I am reaching new heights today.
Yes.
It's going to be a great day.
It is a great day.
And we're making it a great day.
Yes, we are.
Being proactive. All right.
And then White Angelica.
Another
This
favorite.
is an oldie but goodie. This one is amazing. So you put a drop of White Angelica on your head, on your shoulders, and smell it. You could put it over your head and just like actually stroke your body with it, kind of in a protective layer.
I love this one.
It's very beautiful. It's designed to promote a positive, peaceful atmosphere and help create feelings of confidence and positivity. It literally is a protecting oil.
Yeah, it says right here to say, I am protected.
Yes.
I am protected. I've used this before going into some meetings, so
that were tough.
Yes,
yeah.
I know this is a good one just for that on its own, but as part of this protocol, it's great. It's good to know that we're covered and protected.
Yes. And we're protected from negative energy of other people. And you might say, that sounds weird. But think about if someone is angry and you walk into the room, you can literally feel the anger. And it's very disturbing to the other people that are in the room.
Right.
Also, I've had this experience of taking on other people's feelings, emotions. My daughter was telling me that her belly had been hurting for a while. And so I had her just lay down on the bed. I'm like, show me where it bothers you. I put my hand on that area and I'm like, tell me about it. Tell me what's bothering you. And so she's talking about 10, 15 minutes. And then pretty soon she's like, Mom, I feel so much better. And I'm like, oh, great. But I feel horrible because now my stomach was hurting. I literally had transferred her negative energy in her stomach to mine. And it took me 2 days to get rid of it. Because I didn't know, for one, I didn't know about white Angelica. I didn't know about taking on other people's energy. I didn't know about Palo Santo, which is an oil to help you get rid of negative energy in case you got it. So it can happen. Talk to a massage therapist. Do they need to protect themselves from people's negative energy? They'll tell you all about that. So it's true. It's not weird. It might sound weird, but it does happen. So white Angelica protects you.
Yep. I am protected.
Yes.
Well, this is great. By the way, if you go over to huntforwellness.com, this is episode 206, you can download this protocol. It's a free download. And then it tells you what to say, where to put the oils, and there's 5 oils. They're not sold as a set, but you can buy them individually. We'll have links over there on the show notes as well, so you can find out where to get the oils. You might already have some of these.
Yes.
Valor we talk about a lot, and Joy. So
yes,
these are great oils, and this is a great way to make it a great day.
Yes, because think about it. Do you only just have a great day like 3 or 4 times a year? Maybe on your birthday or Christmas or Thanksgiving, This, you can have a great day every day or most days.
Right.
Of course, there are really bad things that happen that,
This will help you get them, especially that white Angelica. It does help protect you.
Right.
And keeps your mind in the right direction.
And I just feel like since I've started using this, I don't go down low.
That is awesome.
Or as low when some of those really tough things happen.
Great. Well, this episode of Hunt for Wellness is brought to you by waterdistillers.com. Great machines providing great water for your great wellness. Check it out at waterdistillers.com. Well, out of these 5 oils, it's hard to pick a favorite, because I like them all. I love Harmony. I love white Angelica. I love Valor. I put Valor on every day. And I also put Joy on frequently. In fact, we did another episode just a few weeks ago. So it's episode number 203 called What Gives You Joy. And if you'd like to check that one out to find out a little bit more in depth about joy, you can find it right up here. And then check that out and then come back for our next episode of Hunt for Wellness.